lovies! Today I am back with a head wrap tutorial. And you're just going to take the scarf and place it behind your head. You're going to loop it under. And it's going to be as if like you're tying a shoe. So you get your two bunny ears. And then you loop that under. And you're just going to repeat this process over and over again with multiple scarves. So right there, I'm going to loop that other end under. Tie it, not too tight, because I want the volume to still be there. Get my bunny ears. I'll loop one of the bunny ears under the other and pull it. And tuck any extra fabric that I do not want to show or conceal. And I'm going to use a total of 3 scarves. And this is for volume and to give it that va-va-vu. I'm extra, y'all already know. Now the trick with this is that you just have to adjust it to your liking. And you have to play around with it a little bit. And I'm just going to repeat the process just with a different pattern. And you tell me which one was your favorite, the first one or the second one.